Okay, so that's the second part. The pictures have been uploaded now. Okay, so here are the new pictures. Okay, that's the new pictures. The swimming pool. Okay, so here's the villa with the swimming pool. Beautiful. Barbecue. That's a beautiful shot. Barbecue and wooden oven. Okay, that's cool for the pizza. Pizza baking, pizza and bread baking. Okay, there's the shot. Okay, I think this shot could be probably shot number 1. So I put it to number 1 here. Okay, so the picture selection, sequence selection is super important actually. I'm not telling you in this video which type of selections, sequence selection I take. There will be for the advanced course, which will be in my website very soon. But anyway, I just can tell you that it's super important. Okay, absolutely important. So let's go back to 30 something. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the bedroom, this is the kitchen, living room. Let's go a little bit farther. Okay, we're here. Okay, that's a beautiful shot. I saw a beautiful shot before too, which could be my main shot as well. This one. The only problem with this shot is that the swimming pool looks a little bit small. But it could be, I suppose, the picture number 2. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay, software is a little bit slow. As you can see, it's not super user-friendly. This way of managing pictures is not actually my favorite one. But okay, let's go back and let's try to select picture number 3. Okay. This is not bad as picture number 3, swimming pool. This one, it's okay. Okay, beautiful shot. This one, this one I don't like much. This one is good. This one, okay, this one doesn't make much sense. Okay, this one is beautiful, beautiful. One of the bedrooms, one of the bathrooms with a jacuzzi. Another shot of the bathroom with a jacuzzi. Let me see all the pictures to see what can I select. This is kind of beautiful, although I prefer pictures with a sea view from the balcony. This house has a sea view from the kitchen, if I'm not wrong. Okay, from the this is actually the backside of the villa, you know, which is actually facing the mountain. All right, but you know, this way it looks like, you know, it doesn't have any ocean view. Okay, this is the living room. Living room again. Beautiful shots. Okay, that's the bathroom again. That's the front side. Okay. The entrance, the main facade. Okay, that's a nice shot. Nice shot are always beautiful.